Hello students, greetings of the day. All of you know that the Institute of Cost Accountants of India has recently opened online mock test platform for CMA students, especially for CMA inter and CMA final students who are attempting in December 2021. So this online mock test platform will be very much helpful to the students to practice well for the final examinations. So in order to help the students, we at Masterminds made a very detailed step-by-step procedure video to log into the online mock test platform and practice the mock test by the students. So that video will be very much helpful to the students, and it provides a clear-cut, very easy, crystal clear procedure to write the mock test. So we have uploaded that video into the Google Drive, and that Google Drive link is provided in the description box of this particular video. Now, why we have not uploaded that video directly into the YouTube? So there are some restrictions, so that we are not allowed to upload that video into the YouTube platform. That is the reason we have uploaded into the Google Drive, and we are providing that Google Drive link in the description box of this particular video. So we hope that all the student gets benefited by watching that video, so that they will know the clear-cut procedure of logging into the online mock test platform and take the mock test. So we hope everyone will utilize this opportunity. All the best. Thank you.